everyone, Tracy here. Today I'm excited to share with you what I received in the mail the other day from Scrapbook Cards Today, and what it is my SCT Sampler. And what that is, what the SCT Sampler is you subscribe to it, which I subscribe for the full year, and every month they send you something in the mail. You don't know what it is, but it's a sample of new products. So I was excited to try it out, so I thought, oh, I'll try it for a year. And so far, this is my first package ever, and so far I love it. And what I wasn't going to do a video at first because I wasn't sure if everybody received theirs, but when my girlfriends all got theirs and we were checking each other's out, a lot of the stuff in here is a little bit different, so I didn't feel like I was going to ruin it for anybody. So the first thing I did when I opened this up was I got this card. Isn't this adorable? Hello, beautiful. Like, that just put a smile on my face right there. So there's this, and you can frame it, or you can put it on a card, or you can put it wherever you want. But I just think this is adorable. And then they tell you a little bit about here, what is in here, like the companies that are in here. And then you got a couple journal cards. See, it's just a little bit of this and a little bit of that, which is really fun to get. And then these little strips, these are stickers. Aren't they adorable? I'm pretty sure that they are simple stories, but aren't those so cute? They'd be perfect in my planner. They'd be perfect in my journal, scrapbooking pages. They're just adorable. So there's those. And then there is this hello, I guess it's like a resin piece, I guess. Isn't that cute? I like that. So there's that, hello. And then I put these in, I opened these all up already, and I put these in a plastic bag because, as you can see, some of them are coming off. But what they are they're obviously sequins, but they're adhesive sequins. They have a little bit of adhesive on there. So that's fun. And then we have these beautiful papers. So there, that one, and there's that side. And this, isn't that beautiful? With the wood grain. So pretty. And then that. And then there's this one. They're probably all upside down. They're all two-sided. This one, I love the butterflies. So pretty. And then those are flowers. I like the butterflies better. And then there's these flowers. Actually, I think I like that side better. And then this pink one with the foil pink hearts. Isn't that cute? And then plain pink, and then a piece of cardstock. So there's those little samples of papers, and then you have some vellum. There's a plain piece of vellum, and then there's these pattern pieces of vellum, and they look like they have paint streaks on them, and then splatters of paint. There's that, and then a traveler's notebook. Isn't that cute? This notebook, and it has lines on it because I like to write, so this is perfect for me, and I just love that. This reminds me of like a Heidi Swap print, right? With the stripes and then the flowers. So pretty. And then, like I said, I opened this before, so I put all the little embellishments all together. So we have some of the, what are those called now? Oh my goodness, I have a drawer full, and I'm like, ugh. They're not buttons, but yeah. Adhesive side. Aren't they cute? I love the bicycle. And then Just Peachy. I could trade that with somebody because that wouldn't be for me, but that's for me. I love the bicycle. And then we got all these little chipboard pieces, as well as this paper clip with the blue. I have the blue, my girlfriend has the pink, and she loves blue. And I asked her if she wanted to switch with me, and she said, no, I'm good with the pink, which surprised me. And then, so these are like, oops, chipboard paper clips. But if I didn't want to use it as a paper clip, I can just cut that off and use that as a embellishment. And the butterfly, a speech bubble, a tab, or a label. That's a label. A label, birdie, another birdie, and another birdie. I knew there was 3. And then these flowers. And then this big, huge Today. I love that. See, I got this one. My girlfriend, I think, had memories. So we all had a little bit different things in ours. And then look at that. That is so flippin' adorable, these little skaters. And not only is it a stamp, you get the die with it. Can you believe it? Like, you get this and the die. Awesome. So I have already stamped some out and cut them out. I haven't colored them up yet. So yeah, I already played with these already. So I'm excited to get to work on making some stuff. And I got a card base also. So I just thought this was fun to come once a month. Like, oh, and I usually don't get things if I don't know what they are, because like I said, for one thing, I'm not an online shopper, and I like to know what I'm paying for. But with Scrapbook Cards Today, I know I'm never disappointed with any of their kits or anything I get from them. So I said, why not? I'll give it a try. And so far, I have to say, it's a big win with the first one. And I'll show you the other ones I get each month as I get them. So I'm going to go and play soon. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a link below on where to go if you're interested in this. So thank you everybody so much for watching, and I hope you all have a very creative day today. Bye now.